Hey there folks, Tim Slater from the eLearning Designers Academy. If you're someone who's been trying to make the transition into instructional design, maybe you're a current or former teacher, or maybe you're just somebody who's trying to get started in the industry for the first time, then you know how absolutely overwhelming it can be. There are so many conflicting opinions and oversimplifications and big promises and generally bad advice out there. It is enough to make your head spin. And that's why I am so excited to announce something new that I've been working on for the better part of the past year. The Instructional Design Career Jumpstart, a completely brand new course designed to help you break into instructional design the right way. And since we're launching this just in time for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we've put together a special deal and discount for our founding students. So stick around until the end for all of those details. But before we get into that, what I want to do is I want to show you how the whole program works and everything that's included. At its core, the Instructional Design Career Jumpstart includes over 82 lessons and 4 hours of expertly designed video content that walks you through everything from learning the industry to developing the essential skills to creating a showcase project and refining your resume and building your portfolio and prepping for interviews and growing your network and, most importantly, shifting your mindset about your career journey. The goal is to help you build a strong foundation for understanding how our industry works, the different roles that exist out there, and what it really takes to successfully make a transition step by step. But here's the thing, this course is so much more than just passively watching video lessons. You can do that all day long on YouTube if you wanted to. And so at the end of each chapter, you'll have the opportunity to put everything you've learned and explored into practice. So for example, after you've learned about the industry, you'll take our interactive ID career persona quiz to identify how the different types of instructional design roles best align with your current talents and interests. So for example, maybe you're a planner who aligns with the upfront parts of instructional design, or maybe you're a builder who's best suited for the creative and development aspects of instructional design, or maybe you're a guide or a full stack instructional designer who's interested in all of the varied aspects of instructional design. We're going to help you figure that out. Now, from there, you're going to use our 50-page reflection guide to do everything from completing a skills assessment and learning how to translate your existing skills for your resume. And then you're going to practice how to craft responses to common interview questions. And then you're going to identify local practitioners and hiring managers in your area to start building your network. And then at the end of it all, you're going to work and craft your own 30, 60, 90-day action plan to help you operationalize your instructional design career. And throughout the whole program, you'll get the opportunity to reference our 80-page instructional design essentials playbook to explore real-world portfolio projects and pro tips and answers to the most common questions new instructional designers have. This isn't a passive course. It's a guided system that's going to help you actually do the work you need in order to break into this industry. And on top of all of that, I've also included nearly 4 hours of bonus interviews with real-world hiring managers and successful career transitioners so that you can learn directly from people who've been through this journey and made it to the other side. I designed this Instructional Design Career Jumpstart to help you carve a path into instructional design, not just to catch the attention of hiring managers, but to set yourself up for long-term success once you actually land a role in this industry. All right, so here's what I want to say. If you're sick of being told that becoming an instructional designer is as simple as adding a few keywords to your resume, or if you know deep down in your core that the promises of guaranteed job placement from expensive boot camps ran by people who've never, worked in this industry, if you know that sounds too good to be true, and if you're ready for a real step-by-step blueprint for what you need to learn and the actions you need to take, then I invite you to enroll in the Instructional Design Career Jumpstart, which goes live Tuesday, November 25th. And because we're launching it just in time for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, instead of our normal price of $295, we're going to be offering it to our first-time enrollees and students for just $97. This discount will be available through Monday, December 1st, and it's the cheapest that we'll ever offer this course. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to get started, this is it. I hope to see you on the inside.